Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do another neon look today, so I googled neon on Google Images and I found this picture of a hallway, which I thought was pretty cool because it had a whole 3D kind of illusion aspect to it, and I really like incorporating that into my makeup looks. So if you wanted to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Like normal, I did my brows first, so I'm going to go in and prime my skin using the Benefit Professional Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral. And I'm just going to blend that out using my Juno & Co. sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of the face using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using that same sponge and the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. I'm going to be setting the lid with this as well. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Press Powder. Now I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so we can get started on the eye look. First I'm going to start out by drawing the archway shape using a white pencil liner. Now that we have the general outline down, I'm going to go in with the Super Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Dance Party and create little stripes using a flat brush. Now in between the yellow stripes, I'm going to go in with the shade Scrunchy and finish them up. I'm literally crying, like tearing up, because I can't close my eyes when I'm doing this or else I'll mess up. Blinking? Never heard of her. So this is basically what we're going to do for the entire look. I'm just going to make this smaller and smaller until we reach the middle, so I'm going to do that right now and I'll be right back. So I finished creating the general 3D hallway shape using the Hydro Liner, so I'm going to use a brown shadow on the outside with a flat brush to help make it look more 3D with shading. For the brown, I'm going to go in with Warm Taupe from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Now just on the very edges of this, I'm going to go in with a darker brown, and I'm going to use the shade Rustic from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm also going to shade the outside of each line as well, so I'm going to shade the outside of this one, that one, and so on. Now I'm going to do the same to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, the eyes are all done, so now let's finish off the face. Since I did a lot on the eyes today, I'm just going to barely do anything else to the rest of my face. So I'm going to lightly contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit in the shade Light Medium. Now for blush, like always, I'm going to go in with that Pinky Peach shade from the Alluring Cosmetics Rainbow Deluxe palette. Lastly, for highlight, I'm going to go in my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter palette in the shade Dream. Now first I'm going to line my lips using the NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade Exquisite, and then I'm going to fill it in using Bottoms Off. Yo, that wasn't supposed to happen. So here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!